Welkom bij het Pakena Casa Hotel in de stad Singkawang, West-Kalimantan, Indonesië. Geniet van uw vakantie, bij ons voelt het alsof u in Nederland bent.
Singkawang City, West Kalimantan, which is located in Indonesia. It is a tolerant city, has the concept of the main tourism city in West Kalimantan. So friends, this time we will explore a hotel with a city concept in the Netherlands, which friends must know and visit if friends visit and travel in the city of Singkawang. Now we pass through Jalan Yohana Gadang. We start from the Dayak Monument intersection, namely Sang Panglima Monument, T-Junction, Jalan Kritisana Stadium, Jalan Yohana Gadang and Jalan GM Sidit.
Friends, just follow the instructions for the Kite route, which will lead to the location of this Dutch-style hotel, which is located in the Pasar Baru complex, Singkawang City. Indeed, Singkawang is also nicknamed the City of Amoy, where Chinese culture is very strong, because the majority of the population is Chinese. However, Singkawang is the most tolerant city in Indonesia, which is a city that has various ethnicities and cultures that live in harmony together. Well, this time we will see the beautiful atmosphere, at the location of a hotel with a city concept in the Netherlands, which of course friends must know about the atmosphere and shape of the hotel as well as the prices, which will later become a reference for friends traveling in the city of Singkawang. Previously, please support my YouTube channel, by subscribing, liking and responding positively, and sharing if this content is interesting and fun. Those who have supported my YouTube channel, of course I wish you the best and I thank you. So friends, now we have arrived at the location of this hotel, which has the feel of a city in the Netherlands, namely the Pakena Casa Hotel. Now we park our vehicle first, just keep watching, don't miss the video, because this is an interesting fact about the city of Singkawang. After we park our vehicle, then Reza will bring friends, see firsthand the atmosphere here, what the beauty and coolness of the Pakena Casa Singkawang Hotel is like. Oh yes, friends, there are also lots of unique and interesting places here that you should know about, including the Kyodai Hotel, a hotel with a Japanese concept. Now it's complete in this Pasar complex. There are hotels with Dutch and Japanese nuances. Well, this is the atmosphere at the Kyodai Hotel and its restaurant. Coincidentally, Reza's family, Reza's wife and children are tasting the most delicious menu here. Later Reza will explore the Kyodai Hotel in the next content. The important thing is, friends, just subscribe to the Reza YouTube channel Singkawang here. Apart from that, friends, here there are also summer bars and discos, hangout places, Kedai Suk and Yes Coffee, as well as several other hotels such as the New Friends Hotel. Okay friends, next we will take a walk in Pequeña Casa and enjoy this cool and beautiful atmosphere. Just watch it, don't miss it, because there are interesting and unique facts that you must know in this content. Pequeña Casa, which in Indonesian means little house, consists of 10 small buildings containing one room. Currently, only 10 rooms are operating. To stay at Pequeña Casa, tourists can book it on the available hotel booking application. The 10 rooms that currently exist have different room concepts and decoration. So each room has a different decoration and is equipped with facilities like a hotel in general, which of course has Wi-Fi too.
How much if you stay here, sis?
Stay here.
Price.
Their regular price of $397.
367. 7,000. How many room types are there?
The other 9 rooms.
There are 9 rooms.
Well, here, 10. That's 9.
Oh, here 10. They're 9. They all cost the same. Different. They're
309,797. There are 477.
477.
There is 197.
1.0. Oh, 970.
There are 2.
600,000 too. Oh, there's 600,000.
All kinds of
Yeah, all kinds of things.
that she wants. Thanks, bro.
Yes.
Alright friends, now we can feel how cool and interesting this place is, and a recommendation for friends if you want to vacation in Singkawang City later. Now just keep watching this Reza Singkawang YouTube channel video until it's finished, and there are various kinds of interesting information, unique information, and interesting facts in the city of Singkawang, Amoy City. And don't forget, continue to support the Reza Singkawang YouTube channel by subscribing, liking, responding to comments, and sharing if among friends watching. There are relatives, acquaintances, and others who are native Indonesians from Singkawang, West Kalimantan. Reza will leave for now. See you in the next content.